I just want to do an unboxing of this lugs drill set. This is your manual, some cautions, and then a thank you card. It's really, has a nice presentation, you know, as far as like a gift. Be a great gift. Get some drill bits here. Another, I think that's fine. The blue is fine. Really nice heavy-duty box and stuff that it comes in. This is pretty heavy-duty. It's not really light in the way it feels, but it does hold nice. It's definitely heavy-duty quality. And it does have this one locks, so you don't turn this, although this will turn and you'll actually open it up to look in there, but you don't do that. Keep that tight. You turn this part right here until you hear it click, and then you pull this out. And this is just kind of a, whoops, I dropped it, placeholder. And then you put your bit down in there, and then you click it back in place. This thing will not work unless this is clicked in place. So you know if you have it in place with that, looking right like that. This cord does not come out. Now this little thing is a holder that this will sit in, like this, and it goes on the side of this. Let me try to get that out. Really nice. Has a really nice, soft, almost feel to it. Hold on, I'll plug this up. Oh, and this goes right here. Just stick it in there and then click it. Well, I get it clicked in place. No, it doesn't want to click in place. I must not be doing something right. Looks like it should fit right in there. No, it has to go that way. I don't know. I'll have to look at that later, but that's what it's supposed to click down in there. Doesn't look broken, so that's the way it's supposed to look. It should fit right in there and click down in there. I'm a little scared to break it, so I'm probably not being quite forceful enough. It's got a nice metal clip you can put on your person while you're using it. Pretty nice cord, pretty nice length. Looks like it might be 4 or 5 foot. That plugs in here. We'll turn it on so you can hear it. Yeah, at least 5 foot. No, it's longer than that. At least 6, maybe more. 6 foot, I'd say. Okay, I got it plugged up, so that must be the charging. Okay, I gotta plug this in. Ain't gonna work without that. Let's see. Oh, it just clicks on there. Oh, and it's kind of a safety thing. Okay. You see it's got a little arrow down. I was looking to see if it was supposed to go a certain way. Yeah, it does. If you look in there, you see that little mark there on the inside. And there's a little opening right here. I just got lucky there when I was trying. But that needs to match up. And then it kind of locks in place there with this. See, it doesn't come back off. You have to actually lift this up to pull it back out. Oh, there's your turn off and on. Yep, off and on. Now you turn it down. Each number represents multiplied by 1,000, so 11,000. So here to turn it all the way down. Very quiet, minimal vibration. Very quiet. And it goes 35,000 RPMs. This is your forward and reverse. Do not turn that while you have this at high RPMs. I strongly suggest you turn it all the way down before you turn it. So that means forward, and it was on, I don't know what A means, I guess reverse. I guess that's an R, not an A. Very quiet, really quiet. Very minimal vibration. This thing is really heavy duty. I'd say this thing will do pretty much anything. Let me put one of my bits in here with a sanding band. Oh yeah, it's locked. Derp. Locks in place. I've got a gel nail here. We'll foul on it some. I'm going to turn that back down a little bit though. Oh, I started it directly from the nothing to 21, so. Oh yeah, really nice. Really nice quality. Try not to get this all over the box. Yeah, this thing's really nice. Really nice. Really nice quality. So, I don't have any negatives about it. This feels heavy, but, I mean, as I've been sitting here holding it, it's not bothering me, and it's really easy to hold. So, yeah, really high quality. Packaging is A+. I mean, let you get all the bits. You also get a nail. You don't have to use this. You can also use this to sit it on your table, desk, whatever you use it on. And yeah, I really like it. Really nice. Now, as far as the price range, it is a high-end quality product. Presentation is A+. I mean, I wouldn't typically spend that much on one, even if it is like this. But this is high. This is on the high end of quality. So, is it worth it? I don't know. I think that's just dependent on, if you want to spend that much money on it. But it is heavy duty, and it's nice quality. So, yeah, there's that. I don't know if this thing will work. Yeah, it's portable. So, you charge it, and you don't have to have it plugged into an outlet. So I just unplugged the outlet part, and it's still going. Now it's got 2 bars, which means I charged it 2 bars. Remember, it had like 4 on there, I think. So once it's no longer blinking, see, it's got 2 on there that aren't blinking. That's how far it's charged. And all of these will be not blinking whenever you fully charge it. So, yeah, it's really nice. Press it to go. Turn it off. Really nice. 2 forms of... I still don't know how to get that on there. I'll have to work on that. I think I'm just too scared to push it down in there like it needs to be. Because that's how it goes. You can't fit it in this way. I think I'm just too scared to push it with the amount that it needs. But yeah, I typically use these anyways. But you can use that, and it has that. So yeah, it's really nice.